I reckon that.
Hiya, my name's Liam Elms. This is my football manager Andy Calvert from Buntingford Football Club. We're about to do the appraisal for the University Project Assignment 4 for work-based learning, and I guess we'll just get straight into it. So, hello. Thanks for taking the time out to help me with the project. Obviously now we know that the most effective area of the pitch to deliver a key pass from is just outside the penalty area, centrally. Would you say that this has surprised you at all?
Not totally, but I would have thought some of the wing play would have come into that, but no, coming from central areas doesn't surprise me too much, but
Okay, brilliant.
slightly.
Cool. So I'll move on then. We've got, like having that in mind, and obviously with the literature that I found throughout, and that suggests that mainly an attacking midfielder is going to be the most intelligent player on the pitch or one of the best passers. Sort of knowing that and knowing your players, is that something that you would like have in mind when you're selecting your team?
Oh, definitely. Yeah, no, too right. My attacking players, I like to have someone who's in there who would use them as second striker. They're the ones that would get you the goals when your strikers don't get them, the wingers don't cut in and try to get the goals. You do rely on that second striker as much as possible. So yeah, he's the key man of the pitch, and I would use him.
Okay, brilliant. Excellent stuff. Well, although most of the goals obviously have come from open play, which is probably quite apparent anyway when you watch a match, the research also suggests basically just being well drilled on set pieces. Is this something that you think that you might bring into training on a regular basis?
I think we would, yeah. We train twice a week for an hour and a half. And I think maybe on the Tuesday, the first session after the weekend, we would have to focus a little bit more on doing some set pieces, and also it might help us with our defensive side of things as well. If we know what we're doing attacking wise, to put it back on the defensive, and doing this research obviously brought it to light as well. So we know we're looking for that defensive areas as well as attacking to get the goals.
Yeah, hopefully stop some of them goals going in. Definitely. Excellent stuff. Well, would you say that from the findings of this, it would actually change your playing philosophy, so the way you'd approach a game?
Well, I think the modern game has changed, hasn't it? Everything has changed from quite a few years ago. So yeah, the research definitely does help. We need to find something different to attack. So I've got quite pacey wingers, so I thought going out wide would be the way to create it, to bring them inside a little bit more, maybe play on the edge of the box to create more chances. Will benefit them lads as well. Turning the defenders on their back and not knowing what way they're going to go inside or outside. Definitely I will back to look at changing the philosophy as well.
Brilliant stuff. Well, moving on from that,
Yeah.
would you say, when we talk about myself with the project, would you say you've actually picked up on any strengths from me throughout the project?
Oh, definitely. Yeah, no, I think you've done really well. Your team talk's been spot on, been excellent throughout the team talks. The guys have listened to you and taken on the notes. You've been making notes throughout the whole game, first half and at the end of the game. So briefing them during half time to pick them up on where they can improve, and then after telling them where the faults were. So you've done good and bad, so they know after the game what to improve on next time. I think your organisation was absolutely brilliant, and you didn't distract the lads at all. You got motivated and got them on side.
Yeah, that was the aim. We didn't really want him to know what was going on until we actually knew ourselves what we needed to train on, so we're glad that that's worked out. Finally, what would you recommend in terms of areas of development for me?
For yourself, I think the training sessions have helped. It's helped us improve each week. I think the only thing I can suggest is carry on doing your coaching badges and just learn what you're doing with the FA, and you can't really go wrong. So it's just down to you to become a coach.
Okay, excellent stuff. Well, thank you very much for that.
All right, Liam, all the best.
Cheers.
Thank you very much.